How to fix Snapchat something went wrong. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is go to the settings on your phone, and after that scroll until you find the apps manager. Click on the apps, go to the apps manager. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do is very simple. Scroll until you find Snapchat and then click on it. Now right here click on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. And then click on data usage. Make sure that all these options are enabled. Go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode for 6 seconds and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.